Hi, in this video I continue with the fill and stroke tool, and I'm not going to cover the rest of the options for the radial gradient because I already did that in the videos for the linear gradient. So let's jump to the other option here, pattern, and from here you can select those that come with Inkscape and also patterns that you can create from selections, and this is the first thing I want to show you. So let's create an object here, something simple, like this circle for example. And next thing, we need to go to this object menu and then select pattern and then object to pattern. And now we need to select this object, go and select this menu over here and find the one that we just created. I think it's this one, and when I select it, you see that this now becomes the pattern of our object. And you see how easy it is to create new patterns. Now let's see how we can use the node tool to adjust position, scale and rotation. Now the node tool is this one over here, edit path by nodes, and when I select it, you see that I have this X, this circle and this square over here. And sometimes these, depending on the pattern, can be way outside the object or way too close to each other and difficult to adjust, but in this case they're very well positioned here, and with the X we are moving or positioning, and with the circle we are rotating, and with the square we are scaling. And down here in the status bar, again we have some useful keyboard shortcuts. For example, if I mouse over the circle here, you see that I will be rotating the parent fill with Control to snap angle. And if I mouse over the square, you see that I will scale the parent fill, and if I hold down the Control key, I'll scale it uniformly. And mouse over the X will tell us that this will move the pattern fill inside the object. So this is pretty much all for this pattern fill option. The blur and opacity sliders are already familiar to us, nothing new here. And if this video was useful, like it and subscribe. Also leave a comment if you have any questions. If I can, I'll help. I'll answer in writing or in video form. And that's all for this video. Bye for now.